guys, here I am. Do you think I work messy, guys? Let me know. Let me know if you think that I work messy. So guys, if you like this video, let me know. And stay tuned for part 2. So guys, watch me wash my hair now. The water is a bit too warm. Complicated, guys. I already applied some because the camera was not running. I have to be watching the camera because I don't like the vlog. Tell me guys what do you think? Tell me, even though it's not yet out, watch it out. But you can see the results, alright? What is in my hair? So I'll shampoo another time. And if I don't need to shampoo a third time, I will not. I will see now whether or not I need to shampoo a third time. Guys, the shampoo, it is so silky. The hair is feeling so silky. It's very nice. It's a nice feeling, guys. The hair is very silky. I have to get rid of all these dyes on me. So I don't think I will need to give it a second wash, a third wash. No, I'll just condition it after. Guys, if you see any dye on me, show me. Let me wash it, okay? You guys out there, if you see any dye on me that I'm not washing off, let me know. Show it to me. Wow, this is feeling so good, guys. Something's good. It's feeling so good. So can you imagine if it was someone doing this for me? I am the one who is doing it and it's feeling so good. Just imagine if someone else was doing it for me. It's good. This would put me to sleep. I don't want this to pull up or else it'll affect my camera. So guys, this is part 2 of my dye wash routine, okay? So I'm gonna use my conditioner now. And while my conditioner soaks, I have my bath. What do you think? So I will be using this. You know what I will do while this is in my hair? I'm gonna show you what I got. Guess what? I don't know where my comb is.
1, 2, 3, go!
I'll just do this to I rinse it out like this, and then it dry. When it dries, it is easy to comb. It's nothing pretty I'm doing, guys. I'm just doing this. See how easy it is? Yeah. I'm just making my life easy. It's feeling so awkward with the gloves. So I think I can take the gloves off now. So guys, I did it off camera. I fast off camera. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse my hair now. So guys, tell me what you think. Do you like this video? Tell me if you like this video. Don't be afraid to say, Charm, I don't like this video, or Charm, I like this video. Let me know. Water is a bit too warm. So let me turn it down. So, wow. Oh. By shower. Well, I think this is the last of this now. Well, let me hang it there. That's my shower rag, guys. That's my shower rag. So tell me, do you like my video? I think I've come to the end of this video. So thank you all for watching. And I will see you
in my next video. Let me know if you like this video, guys. I don't feel like coming from under the water. It's feeling so good. My hair is so silky, guys. Oh, it's a good feeling. You must try that shampoo if you have not yet tried it. Oh, it's good. It's so good. Wow. It's a nice feeling when you bath from head to toe. You know that? It's a very nice feeling. Wow, it's good. It's a good feeling. So let me know if you like this video, guys. Let me know. I think you're gonna like it. I think so. My hair is feeling as if it's not properly washed out. But I know it's properly washed out. Look at my hair, guys. Tell me. You see? Tell me if you think my hair is properly dyed. Let me know so you can book me whenever time you're ready for yours to be done. Okay? Oh. So guys,